And it is not a sunny day, it is a wet, blustery day from Soul Survivor. Oh, what a night. Golly, what a night. Excuse me, Mr. Tiger. And there's the damage. Yes, the tent got soaked, so I had to move in to the cooking tent, to the meal tent. There we go.
Your tent.
Surviving, oh yeah, yeah, surviving on Jaffa cakes all night. And there is the flood. Lovely. Ain't that grand? So hopefully your son, hopefully your son will be out and that'll take care of that. But there we go. This is Saturday. Whenever. I'm just refilling the coffee. So there we go. Good news is two parts of Ticklets Time Travel Series 4, Origin, and where do we go from here, have been completed. But yes, there were my trousers, but not in a great condition. But there we go, there's the tour of the tent. Dear. Yes, and the sleeping bag is thoroughly wet. But there we go, never mind. We shall see how it goes. Where's that coffee? Right. Another lovely morning. Thank you.